Well, welcome, John Krant, inviting you to a very special presentation of resume renovation for Out Pro Education. It's all the secrets to really control your career story, control the branding elements around all of those wonderful contributions, and making sure that you get recognized. This is about opening up your future and making sure the opportunities that should be coming your way are coming your way. Throughout the entire series, we'll cover resume, we'll talk about LinkedIn, we'll talk about organizing and managing, really supercharging your job search itself. We'll also get into interviewing and how most individuals really need an intervention before their next interview. We'll cover how to reach out to the decision maker directly, and we'll handle quite a few of your live Q&A questions that come up in every aspect of job search. I hope you join in this special series for Out Pro Education from SelfRecruiter.com and John Krant. Thanks so much. See you in the next episode.